Hello guys. Do you keep on listening songs on YouTube back to back? Or you have a favorite playlist on a YouTube that you keep on listening? Or you want to minimize the YouTube and keep the songs playing on background and use any other apps? But you can't. And instead you have to download any other software or use Spotify and download songs to play from your audio player. Oof, that's really an hectic. So in this video, we will learn how to minimize the YouTube and keep your songs playing on the background, as well as you can use other apps while that song is being played on the background. No, don't worry. You don't have to download any other softwares, any audio player for that. So don't worry. But I have a request, guys. If you please watch this video till the end, and if this works for you, don't forget to write it worked in the comment section. And if it didn't work, please write it didn't work, and I'll try to help your problem personally. So I hope you'll write that in the comment section. And guys, please subscribe my channel and help me reach my first 100 subscriber. It will keep me motivated to keep on posting this kind of videos and help you and help me to learn some new things. So please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's start our video. So first you need to go on the browser that is already inbuilt in most of the Android phones. So just go on the Chrome that's inbuilt in most of the phone. So just go on Chrome, right? I have already tried this, but I'm going to show you again, right? So just click on YouTube in the search bar, youtube.com, right? Something like this will open, right? You know that. So just click on this three dot icon over the top right hand corner of your phone. Click on this, right? And now you can see, just see this desktop site, right? You can see that, right? Click on that. When you click on that, the site that actually opens on desktop, it will open on your phone. Now whatever song you want to play, just click on that song, right? I'm going to click on this song, right? Now let's see song. See, the song has started. Now let's minimize this. As soon as you minimize, the song stop. Oh no, you will say this didn't work. No, this worked. Now let's see in this notification bar. Now you can see it's saying Chrome and the song is being played, right? Just click on play button and the song continues, right? I'll pause it. I'll just click on this and you can see this song is being played. I'm going to play from here and you can see the song started, right? I'll minimize this again, right? And you can again play it from here. And while this song is being played, now you can use other apps like say Facebook, Instagram, gallery. You can play whatever, you can use any apps you want, right? And the song will be still being played in the background. Now you can change the songs, right? See, the song has been changed. So this is how you can minimize your YouTube and play the songs in background, as well as you can use any other apps you want. So guys, this is how you do it. So if you have learned this and it worked for you, don't forget to write it worked in the comment section. And if it didn't work, write it so that I can help you with personally and solve the problem. And guys, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and help me reach my first 100 subscribers. It will be really grateful. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something. I'll keep on posting this kind of videos in future, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good time. Bye bye.